Ever wondered what makes a perfect pad thai? What if we told you there isn't just one but 5 fantastic ways to create this iconic dish? Yes, you heard it right. Pad thai, a dish that has captured hearts across the globe, is not just a single recipe but a culinary adventure with many paths to perfection. Pad thai, a symphony of textures and flavors, is a staple of Thai cuisine. Originating from the vibrant streets of Thailand, this dish has traveled far and wide, evolving with every journey and picking up unique twists along the way. Now imagine being able to bring these global variations right into your kitchen. We're about to embark on an exciting journey, exploring not 1, not 2, but 5 unique methods to create this delicious dish. From the traditional to the experimental, each method has its own charm and its own delicious result. So, buckle up as we dive into the vibrant world of Thai cuisine and explore the 5 best ways to make pad thai. First up, we have the Traditionalist's pad thai, a method that takes us back to the roots of Thai cuisine. This version is a tribute to the original pad thai, a dish that has been savored in Thailand for centuries. It's all about simplicity, authenticity, and the harmonious balance of flavors. The Traditionalist's pad thai begins with fresh, high-quality ingredients. We're talking about classic staples like rice noodles, tamarind paste, fish sauce, palm sugar, tofu, and a medley of vegetables. And of course, let's not forget the star of the show, the succulent shrimp, locally sourced if possible. These ingredients are the building blocks of a genuine pad thai, each adding its unique touch to the final dish. Now, let's move on to the techniques. The key here is to stir-fry the ingredients in a particular order to create layers of flavor. It starts with the noodles, follows with the tofu and shrimp, and ends with the addition of the tamarind, fish sauce, and palm sugar. This method ensures that each ingredient gets its moment in the spotlight, contributing to the flavor symphony that is pad thai. And what about the flavors? Well, the Traditionalist's pad thai is a masterclass in balance. The sweetness of the palm sugar, the sourness of the tamarind, and the saltiness of the fish sauce all meld together in a tantalizing dance on the palate. This is not a dish that favors one taste over another. Instead, it's a celebration of all flavors, each standing out yet perfectly complementing the others. There's something truly special about the Traditionalist's pad thai. It's not just a dish, it's a journey through Thai culinary history. It's about experiencing the authenticity of a culture through its cuisine, about understanding the importance of simplicity and balance in cooking. The Traditionalist's pad thai is perfect for those who appreciate authenticity and time-honored culinary practices. Next, we venture into the world of culinary fusion with the Fusionist's pad thai. Our culinary journey takes a turn towards the innovative and the unconventional. The Fusionist's pad thai is all about pushing boundaries, breaking rules, and challenging the norm. It is not about replacing the traditional, but rather enhancing it, giving it a unique twist that tantalizes your taste buds in a way you never thought possible. Imagine this, a classic pad thai recipe, but with a twist. Instead of the traditional tamarind, we bring in the tangy hit of balsamic vinegar. The result? An unexpected flavor profile that is both familiar and new. Cooking techniques also play a pivotal role in the Fusionist's pad thai. It's not just about stir-frying anymore. We're talking about grilling, roasting, even sous vide, all coming into play to add layers of flavor and texture that are not typically associated with this beloved dish. And the ingredients, this is where the Fusionist's pad thai truly shines. Picture succulent grilled shrimp, marinated in a fusion of Thai spices and Italian herbs, then perfectly seared to lock in the flavors. Imagine crispy tofu cubes, pan-fried to perfection, then tossed in a zesty lime and chili sauce. Think of the traditional rice noodles, but this time, enlivened with a drizzle of truffle oil, adding a rich depth that elevates the dish to a whole new level. The Fusionist's pad thai is about creativity and exploration. It's about taking risks and not being afraid to step out of the comfort zone. It's about the joy of discovering new flavors, new combinations, new possibilities. But above all, it's about respect. Respect for the traditional, respect for the ingredients, and respect for the process. It's about understanding the essence of pad thai and using that understanding to create something truly unique. The Fusionist's pad thai is a testament to the limitless possibilities of food, pushing boundaries and challenging the norm. For the health-conscious foodies, we present the Health Nuts Pad Thai. This version of the beloved classic takes a detour from the traditional path and veers towards a more nutrient-rich destination. It's more than just a meal, it's a commitment to your well-being. Now, what sets the Health Nuts Pad Thai apart is its wholesome ingredients. Think fresh, vibrant vegetables, lean proteins, and whole-grain noodles. Each ingredient is carefully selected to pack the maximum nutritional punch. It's a riot of colors on your plate, each color signifying a different nutrient. For instance, the red bell peppers are bursting with vitamin C, the purple cabbage introduces a healthy dose of vitamin K, and the carrots lend a hearty helping of vitamin A. Even the crushed peanuts sprinkled on top are not just for texture or taste, but also a good source of heart-healthy fats. The protein here comes from lean sources like chicken breast or tofu. Both are excellent choices, providing the necessary fuel for your body without the added fats and cholesterol. And if you're a seafood lover, prawns can be a great addition too, offering a good dose of omega-3 fatty acids. The noodles, often the star of any pad Thai dish, are replaced with whole grain options. These are high in fiber and keep you feeling full longer. They also help to regulate your blood sugar levels, making this dish a hit among those who are watching their carb intake. Now let's talk about flavor. The Health Nuts Pad Thai reduces sodium by incorporating natural herbs and spices. Fresh cilantro, zesty lime, and fiery chili give this dish its signature flavor without the need for excess salt. But what's the benefit of all this? Well, it's a meal that's not just satisfying and delicious, but also one that contributes to your overall health. It's lower in calories, higher in nutrients, and just as delicious, if not more so, than its traditional counterpart. The Health Nuts Pad Thai serves as a reminder that healthy food doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. For those in a hurry, the Quick Fix Pad Thai is your best bet. The Quick Fix Pad Thai, the savior of the busy bees, the time-crunched, and the just plain hungry. What's not to love about a dish that promises all the flavors of traditional Pad Thai, but makes it to your table in less than half the time? Let's dive into the secret behind this speedy dish. A combination of pre-made sauces and ready-to-eat ingredients. Now, don't let the words pre-made and ready-to-eat fool you. These ingredients are packed with authentic flavors that'll transport you straight to the streets of Bangkok. Now, the star of this quick fix show is pre-made Pad Thai sauce. This magical concoction is a blend of tamarind, fish sauce, sugar, and a hint of chili. It's the secret weapon that delivers that classic Pad Thai taste, minus the time spent on preparing and cooking. Next up, ready-to-eat ingredients. Think pre-cooked shrimp or tofu, pre-cut vegetables, and pre-soaked rice noodles. These ingredients are not just time savers, but they also ensure that you're not sacrificing flavor or texture. The shrimp or tofu adds that much-needed protein punch. The veggies bring in the crunch, and the rice noodles, well, they're the heart of any Pad Thai. Now, let's talk convenience. We all have those days when time is of the essence, when the clock seems to be racing against us. The Quick Fix Pad Thai is perfect for those days. It's a dish that doesn't demand your undivided attention, but still rewards you with a meal that's comforting, satisfying, and oh so delicious. And there you have it, the Quick Fix Pad Thai, a dish that's quick to whip up, easy to customize, and satisfies those Pad Thai cravings in no time. It's proof that even in the hustle and bustle of life, a delicious, home-cooked meal doesn't have to be a distant dream. The Quick Fix Pad Thai proves that a delicious meal can be just a few minutes away. Finally, for the gourmet food lovers, we bring you the Gourmet's Pad Thai. This version is the epitome of indulgence, where quality is paramount and every detail matters. This culinary masterpiece begins with sourcing the finest ingredients. We're talking about fresh, hand-picked herbs, organic eggs, and sustainably caught prawns. The noodles, handmade, of course. The cooking process itself is an art form. The wok is heated to just the right temperature before the ingredients are added in a specific order to ensure each one retains its unique flavor. The prawns are seared to perfection, the eggs are scrambled to a soft curdle, and the noodles are tossed with a delicate hand to avoid breaking them. Then comes the presentation. Each plate of Gourmet's pad thai is arranged to look as good as it tastes, with vibrant colors and textures that make your mouth water before you've taken your first bite. The Gourmet's pad thai is all about enjoying the finer things in life one bite at a time. There you have it, 5 unique ways to make pad thai. We started our journey with the Traditionalist's pad thai, a homage to the time-honored methods of Thai street food vendors. This version is all about authenticity, using classic ingredients like tamarind, fish sauce, and palm sugar to create that quintessential sweet, sour, and savory balance. It's a flavorful trip down memory lane, a taste of Thailand's bustling street markets. Then we ventured into the Fusionist's pad thai, a delightful blend of old and new. This interpretation retains the core ingredients of traditional pad thai, but isn't afraid to experiment. By incorporating elements from other cuisines, it creates a unique flavor profile that's both familiar and refreshingly different. It's a testament to the versatility and adaptability of this beloved dish. Next, we explored the Health Nuts pad thai, a nutritious spin on the classic. This version swaps out some ingredients for healthier alternatives without compromising on the taste. Think whole grain noodles, lean protein, and an abundance of fresh vegetables. It's a guilt-free indulgence, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or boring. Our fourth stop was the quick fix pad thai, perfect for those busy weeknights or when you're just too tired to cook. With a few pantry staples and some clever shortcuts, you can whip up a satisfying meal in no time. It may not be as elaborate as the other versions, but it's just as delicious. Finally, we indulged in the Gourmet's pad thai, a luxurious treat for the senses. This version pulls out all the stops, using premium ingredients and meticulous preparation methods. Every bite is a celebration, a symphony of flavors that elevates the humble pad thai to gourmet status. Each of these methods offers a unique experience, a different way to enjoy this versatile dish. But remember, the beauty of pad thai lies in its flexibility. You can tweak the recipe to suit your taste buds, dietary needs, or mood of the day. No matter which method you choose, remember that the perfect pad thai is the one that brings you the most joy. Happy cooking!